We continue to celebrate Pride here at WUSA 9 by showcasing efforts to keep our neighbors safe. Today is National HIV Testing Day, and DC advocates are in the community. They are offering free testing, education, and resources.
Delia Gonsalves is live along the U Street corridor. And Delia, this isn't just about education, but also celebrating some really remarkable statistics.
That's right, Simone. DC is celebrating a major milestone. Get this, 5 years ago, 2.8% of our neighbors were living with HIV. Today, that number is down to 1.8%. Certainly something to celebrate. However, the education clearly must continue, and this is part of the reason why they've had such success. This kind of outreach. DC health workers out here offering free screenings and testings that destigmatize the whole process. At 13th and U,
free HIV and STI screening.
A life-saving message.
You gotta get tested just to be sure.
Outreach workers staged by the Metro to reach the most people on this National HIV Testing Day.
Looking to end HIV doesn't mean we're looking to end people. We still know that there are infections that happen in DC and across America, but like you said, it isn't, life-ending. I'll probably get tested later.
Japer Gowles, director of the mayor's office of LGBTQ affairs, leading the charge by example, signing up to take his free HIV test at Walgreens. New advances mean with one prick, you know your status within seconds.
Simple.
Improved access, education, and technology are saving lives.
That really has made it from people having to take a pill daily to now being able to do months. And then just recently, there's been new technology to have 2 shots a year. If you only have to do it twice a year, it is a better opportunity for folks to take it. Now we're focusing on people most vulnerable and continuing to relay that message that it's not over with, and also really trying to focus on the people that are living with HIV and centering their story.
DC has the highest per capita LGBTQ community in the country, and Gowell says with that comes support, partnerships, and resources.
It's not like that nationally. And so what we want to do is continue to lead the nation.
Free HIV and STI screening.
And I just checked in with the outreach workers here behind the table. They have had about 25 people so far coming in to get their free screenings. They are going to be here until 7 o'clock today, and a lot of folks are now heading home from work, so they're hoping more people will come. And after 7 o'clock, they want folks to head over across the street over there to the Lincoln, and that is where they will have a free showcase to celebrate Pride here in DC. Of course, all of this gearing up for World Pride 2025. DC is the host and will host 2 million people to celebrate DC Pride and International Pride in May of 2025. That's the very latest here from the U Street corridor. Delia Gonsalves, WUSA 9.
Some of those outreach workers just kind of feel like talking to a friend, as you highlighted, Delia. So it makes a big difference when you maybe have a health concern. It makes it seem more approachable. Thank you for that.